Looking for the best football shoes to up your game? Here are some of the most popular football boots that players around the world are loving. 1. Nike Mercurial Vapor. First up, we have the Nike Mercurial Vapor. This boot is known for its lightweight design and incredible speed, perfect for fast players like Cristiano Ronaldo. The Vapor's sleek fit helps you accelerate and control the ball with ease, making it a favorite for wingers and forwards. 2. Adidas Predator. Next on the list is the legendary Adidas Predator. Designed for power and precision, these boots are perfect for midfielders who want control over their passes and shots. The Predator features special textured elements on the upper to give you more grip on the ball, making it ideal for long passes and powerful strikes. 3. Puma Future. The Puma Future is another fan favorite, known for its flexibility and comfort. This boot uses Puma's NetFit technology, allowing players to customize the lacing for a snug fit. This is a great choice for players who rely on quick movements and agility on the field. 4. Nike Phantom GT. If you're looking for precision, the Nike Phantom GT is a shoe for you. With its off-center laces and textured upper, it gives you excellent ball control, making it perfect for players focused on accurate dribbling and shooting. 5. Adidas Copa Sense. For players who value touch and feel, the Adidas Copa Sense is one of the best options. Made from soft leather, it offers incredible comfort and enhances ball control, making it perfect for defenders and midfielders who need to control the game. 6. Puma Ultra. Finally, the Puma Ultra is one of the lightest boots available, designed for ultimate speed. Its lightweight construction and responsive feel make it perfect for fast-paced players who want to outpace their opponents. Each of these boots brings something unique to the game, whether it's speed, control, or power. No matter what position you play, there's a perfect pair of football boots for you. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more football gear reviews.